Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today, I'm going to be letting you know how to get better gas mileage. I have one of those Eco Obity 2 fuel saver videos I did a review on. I put it on my truck when we did a road trip to Disneyland. We're in NorCal. We drove down to Disneyland. On the way back, I decided to use it, see if we get better gas mileage. And it screwed up the trip back, kind of. But it was cool. Made the video, and it's working out now. So I'm going to let you know how to really save fuel. I'm going to be making some other videos trying to test those testers out, and I put a lot of research into those and heard feedback from you guys of why they don't work or why they do work. And I just found out some information that they might work on only CAN-equipped vehicles. So I'm going to be doing some research on that. Stay tuned for that. But really, how are you going to get better gas mileage? The only way that you're going to get better gas mileage is by keeping up on the maintenance of your vehicle. That's changing the air filter, changing the oil regularly, all your fluids regularly according to your maintenance procedure or your maintenance log or whatever it is that recommends when you should replace it. Also keep up on your tune-ups, transmission fluids, and all that. Keep up on regular maintenance. Preventive maintenance causes your vehicle to last longer and also make it the most efficient vehicle it could be, and in turn, better gas mileage, or it keeps better gas mileage. You let the tune-up go, the gap in the spark plug gets larger, you start not burning all the fuel, you're going to get a loss of gas mileage right there. You have a dirty air filter, it's hard for the engine to suck air, it's like choking itself to death. You're going to get worse gas mileage. Your PCV valve, it's stuck closed, it's not allowing the vapors to feed back into your intake system. That's going to cause a blowback into the engine, and you're going to cause way more problems. So regular maintenance keeps a vehicle going and lasting. If you need to know what is due on your vehicle, comment below. Either I could help you out, maybe somebody else could help you out. Let us know, hey, I have a 2010 Honda Accent with 25,000 miles on it. What should I have done by now, and what should I do right now to make sure it's done properly or to keep it going properly? If you can, make sure you like, subscribe, and share before you go. Ask questions, tell me what I did wrong, tell me what I could do better, and like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next hopefully helpful video.